got my first order of the day. This is for Starbucks. $8 and some change, going less than 3 miles.
Yeah. Hey, good morning. Here you go, hon.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you later.
Just got my next order. This one is for Sherry's. $8.25, going 3.5 miles.
There you go, dear. Have a good day.
You too, thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This is $8, going 4 miles. Thank you. You too. Huh. So all they ordered was jumbo egg rolls and some hash browns. So either their previous dasher forgot their sides, or they just have a strange breakfast. Next order up is for Starbucks. This one is $9, going 6 miles. Just got my next order. This one is for Voodoo Donut, $9.75, going 4.5 miles.
So you recording all the time, dude? So is that like a safety thing, or just like a your internet famous thing? There you go, bud. Drive safe.
I don't know how well you could see it, but they had a little bucket outside their door with various snacks in it, and it said stay safe. Ooh, just got this Starbucks stack. This is $18, going 5 miles, or not. It looks like one of them just got canceled, so I'm not sure how that's gonna affect the order. Hopefully it's still worth it. It is super dead right now, but I finally got my next order. This one is for Taco Bell, $7 and some change, going 4 miles.
We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk to you.
It's only one drink, right?
Yeah, it's only one.
Okay.
I'll be just a second.
Yep. Thank you. Just pulling out, and I got my next order. This is for Maya Fruits and Juice Bar, $8.50, going 3.5 miles.
And then there's 2 bowls of soup.
Okay.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, thank you. I'm pretty sure this is going to a school.
Thank you.
So I'm still trying to figure out what exactly happened with that Starbucks order that was canceled. Turns out they gave me $15 base pay on that one. I don't even know, but I'll take it. That's even better than the original offer. All right, next order up is a shop and deliver for alcohol. This is $11.75, going 5.5 miles, 2 items.
Tax on top of that, another 8%, so
it declined.
Really? What was the total on it?
2603.
2603?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, give me a second. And then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. My favorite thing about this drop-off was neither the DoorDash app or my GPS took me to the right location. Little cherry on top, none of these entrances, from what I can see, have a map of the complex. Like, who designs these things? Come on, man. Just got my next order. This one is for Red Robin, 1025, going just under 6 miles. Was there any drinks with that? Very strange. It says free refills, but there's no drink. Okay, I think I'm just gonna be calling it here. Current time is 11:35. Current total is 103. I felt like it was really slow today, but I got some pretty good orders, so not bad. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.